How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1966 Chevrolet Caprice, all original body panel car. Come from out of Missouri. Super nice car. It's had one repaint. It's factory color. All the grille, headlight bezels are all the original and excellent condition. Front bumper appears it's been re-chromed. And all the panel fitment, everything on this car is just perfect. The car's real straight, flat down the sides. Super cool car, and this is a factory numbers match 396 big block car. Got a lot of nice options. So all the taillight bezels and the taillights are all the original and excellent condition. The rear bumper has been re-chromed. It's got new vinyl top. It was replaced when they painted the car. Rides on a set of 18 and 20 inch billet specialty wheels. Been lowered with Hotchkiss springs all the way around. Again, this is a numbers match 396 4 barrel. It's got power steering, power disc brakes. It's been updated with the vintage AC and heat. It's got 400 turbo trans. It's a factory exhaust manifolds and the duals out the back. It's got 12 bolt posi rear. It's all factory. The jams and everything are real nice on the car. The door panels are the original door panels and they're in excellent condition. Dash all looks real good. Believed to be the original. They did do a new headliner in the car. Very nice. Nice and tight. Front and rear seat covers have also been replaced. It's got the front and rear seat belt, which is an option in 66. Tell you, wheel tucks up in this car, very nice. The factory jack, spare, everything is in it. Trunk's been all carpeted very nicely. It's got the factory AM FM stereo. You can see the stereo controls, a rare option in the console there. It's got the factory gauge package. Clock is even working. Everything in this car works. Super nice car. The dash trim is all in excellent condition. Tell you, for original door panels, they sure look nice. Kind of speaks for the car how nice it is. Thing fires right up. Car's got a perfect stance. backup lights, everything works. Again, it's a 396, it's 3 1/4 horse, 400 turbo trans, 12 bolt posi, power steering, power disc brakes, air conditioning. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Have a great day, folks.